Right, hi everyone, we're back again, doing a bit more work on the Rover, more welding as usual. Yeah, today's task is to try and get this floor pan welded in. So I'm going to start by making up another bit to fill in that like I did previously on the panel that I'm not going to use. So kind of something like that. I'm going to try and bring it up to here, so then when I put my next piece in further back, I can come up to there rather than all the way up to there. Yeah, anyway, like I said, right, I'm going to make that piece and then I'm going to do some welding. Right, so as you can see, I've cut a piece out for that. I didn't manage to get it to go out a bit further than what I needed, but I'll deal with that when I make the next panel up. Yes, that's just sat there at the moment. So I'm going to tack that in and then whip the whole floor pan out and then weld it all around. Right, now welded that piece in, as you can see, and run over it with a flat disc. Weld it underneath if it focuses. Just kind of lightly gone over the top underneath. I'm going to seam seal it all anyway when I finish the welding. Well, when I finish welding this side anyway. So yeah, so now I'm ready to put the floor pan in. Cool. And start by, well, once I get it stuck back in there, I'm going to start by tacking it all around the top, and then I should get underneath and seam weld it underneath, and then come back up the top, seam weld around the top. Just try and put some strength into it. Right, so like I said, next bit, I'm going to tack all this all the way around, and then I'll move the camera hopefully underneath, so, and then weld it all around under there. We'll get a few tack welds in here first. Right, well that'll do for a minute. Like I said, I'm going to go underneath and seam weld it all the way under there, and then come back up the top and weld it. I suppose you notice I changed mask halfway through. My other one, my reactor light or whatever you want to call it, it just started steaming up between the two glasses, so I could not see a thing. So back to me trusty handheld mask. Right, anyway, switch the camera off for a minute and then we'll go underneath. I'll try and set it up so you can see, hopefully. So back inside now. Just going to seam weld this all the way around the inside. Weld up the inner seal part. And then, yeah, that'd be that bit in. Sorted. Right, so my camera went off there because it filled up the memory card, so I just got rid of some old stuff that's still on the camera. It's my own fault, but anyway, so finished the welding. I'll give it just a quick flick over with a soft pad, but I don't want to take too much off of it. And I'll chuck some etch primer over it now. It's all welded in there. I wouldn't say it's the prettiest job in the world, but I'm going to seam seal it all anyway. We'll have a look underneath as well. As you can see, all welded in. Job's a good one. Got all of this to repair next. We'll carry on repairing anyway, because I did start doing the back bit, but I needed to get the front bit done before I could do the back part. Anyway, it's all good. It's another little, well, not a little job, it's quite a big job off the list actually. Just be glad when all this welding's done. I'm probably going to end up having to do the same again on the other side, because it's got the same sort of podgy repairs over there as well. But anyway, we'll keep on with it and we will get there. Alright, so that's me about done for today now. I'll just put some epoxy primer over the floor. That's about all I have done now. And there, up underneath, which pretty much looks the same. So next time we should start repairing the rear part of the floor, which isn't going to be quite as serious. We've got a couple of holes down there, and then need to repair the bit of the back where I started in the first place. But now I've also, well, I've been knocking it about a bit that I thought was solid isn't as solid as I thought, and there's a little hole there, so I might have to cut the corner of that bit out and weld a bit in there before I repair that bit. I might even do that next week, get that front corner all sorted then, but we'll see. But yeah, on the whole today's been quite successful and I've actually achieved something, which is always good. Right, anyway, hope it's not too long, and I will catch you next time. There's more batteries about to die. Right, thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe. It'd be much appreciated. And any comments, all welcome. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers then. Bye.